Triangle construction. How you construct a triangle depends on what information you are given about the triangle. Let's look at an example. Construct the triangle ABC, where AB equals 5 centimeters, BC equals 3 centimeters, and AC equals 4 centimeters. First, sketch and label a triangle so you know roughly what's needed. It doesn't matter which line you make the baseline. Then, draw the baseline and label the ends A and B. For AC, set the compasses to 4 centimeters, put the point at A and draw an arc. For BC, set the compasses to 3 centimeters, put the point at B and draw an arc. Finally, where the arcs cross is point C. Now you can finish your triangle. Sides and angles. Here you use a ruler and protractor. Let's look at an example. Construct triangle DEF. D equals 6 centimeters, DF equals 4 centimeters, and angle EDF equals 40 degrees. First, roughly sketch and label the triangle. Then draw the baseline. Draw angle EDF, place the center of the protractor over D, measure 40 degrees and put a dot. Measure 4 centimeters towards the dot and label it F. Join up D and F. Now you have drawn the two sides and the angle. Just join up F and E to complete the triangle. Triangles with the same side lengths are congruent, so it doesn't matter which line you draw first, you will always end up with the same triangle.